Fitbit Sleep Score Premium App. The pros, the cons. Most people underestimate how much sleep impacts their health, but Fitbit Sleep Score Premium App puts that data front and center. It doesn't just tell you how long you slept, it tells you how well. But is premium access really worth it? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Fitbit Sleep Score feature is one of the most detailed in the wearable market. It analyzes your sleep stages light, deep and REM to generate a single score that reflects your overall rest quality. Premium version takes it a step further, offering personalized insights, trends, and even guided programs to improve your sleep habits. What makes this powerful is its accuracy. Paired with Fitbit devices, the app tracks movement, heart rate variability, and oxygen levels, helping you identify problems like restlessness or potential sleep apnea risks. Premium also unlocks advanced analytics, stress management tools, and mindfulness exercises, all designed to enhance recovery and performance. Now, for the cons. Fitbit Premium is a paid upgrade, and some users feel the extra features don't justify the subscription price, especially if they're already getting solid data from the free version. Also, sleep tracking accuracy can vary slightly depending on the Fitbit model you use. In conclusion, the Fitbit Sleep Score Premium app is ideal for those serious about optimizing rest and recovery. It turns simple sleep tracking into meaningful feedback that helps you make better lifestyle choices. But if you just want basic stats, the free version might be all you need.